Welcome everyone, my name is Marlene, the creator behind Tone's Caribbean Body, a project that was started from the onset of COVID-19, where I simply share with you holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to harvest yellow and white turmeric. Now, turmeric is very popular worldwide. It is one of the most commonly used and known herbs that you will find wherever you go. But did you know that there are two varieties? Yes, there's the yellow variety, which is the most commonly used and known variety of the two, and the white variety, which is obviously the lesser known of the two. But research has recently proven that it is the most potent of the two and the one that has the most health benefits that can positively impact humans' health. Now, if you do a simple Google research, you will find that both varieties have a host of health benefits and can be used every day for human health. But enough old talk. Let's go into today's video where I'll be sharing with you a whole lot more. Take a look. The question I get asked all the time, what's the difference between the two varieties? Before you harvest, you have to plant. You can plant the mature rhizomes or cuttings from previous plants. This is the flower of the yellow turmeric and the flower of the white turmeric. You can see the distinct red color. Now, when you're ready to harvest, the first indicator is the drying down of the leaves and the stems of the turmeric plant. Both the yellow and the white behave similarly in terms of harvesting time. It takes between 6 months to a year for turmeric, both varieties, to mature and be ready for harvest. So once you see your stems and plants dry down to this extent, that's an indicator that it's ready to harvest. Now, once the leaves have fully dried down and are ready for harvest, there is no way to tell because they look pretty much the same after they're dried. So always knowing where you've planted which variety is always a good thing to remember. Now, my dad does not wait until all the leaves are fully dried. Once it's past the 6 month stage and the majority of the leaves have dried down, he just starts pulling and tugging. So the first thing to do is just to simply pull the stem until the dirt loosens and pull up the turmeric. Because they are rhizomes, they obviously grow underneath the ground, and you just simply have to apply a little pressure to get the rhizomes free. Now, one rhizome of the turmeric gives you a whole heap of harvest. So it's always a good idea if you want a lot to plant enough. Now, during our last harvest, we bounced up on a batchak nest, batchak ants. They are so destructive, they totally annihilated one of my pomegranate trees. My dad just simply grabbed a pack of 7 powder and sprinkled it on the nest, and that took care of them right away. And after a bunch of digging, pulling and tugging, this was our harvest. Now, the yellow turmeric has a whole heap of benefits. Harvesting of the white turmeric is pretty much similar to that of the yellow turmeric. Just simply grab something that you can loosen the dirt with and just pull on the area to get rid of the dirt. Shake the rhizomes free to loosen the excess dirt. As you notice, the rhizomes are a bit bigger than the yellow turmeric rhizomes. You get a whole heap of harvest from the white turmeric. And after some muscle work, this was our harvest. The white turmeric has a whole heap of health benefits, as you will see in the next slide. Now share with us which one is your favorite. Comment down below. Now, if you're curious about what the turmeric looks like on the inside, I'm just going to show you. So I have my knife handy here, or you can just simply break it. The yellow one is not actually yellow on the inside, it's more orange than yellow, but yes, that's the yellow variety, the most commonly used one. And the white variety, which is of course a rhizome and closely resembles ginger, when you cut it, it looks like ginger on the outside and on the inside. It's not totally white. It has, a tinge of yellow, but it stains much less, if at all, than the yellow variety. Yes, so in the next video, you'll see what it looks like or what they look like in powder form. Both powders can be used internally and externally for overall good health. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next Friday.